The Knauf Airless Finishes range offers a combination of products to cover the majority of application types to a wide range of substrates without the need for primers or bonding agents. Knauf Airless Backing for use on concrete, blockwork and refurbishment to level poor or uneven backgrounds. Knauf Airless Finish for plasterboards and smooth concrete suitable for all project types. Step 1. Preparation of the substrate. Check all screw heads are flush with the surface of the boards. Apply your beads to all internal-external angles. Bend and fill all joints with Knauf paper tape. Step 2. Machine setup. Prime the machine by running clean water through the pipes for a couple of minutes. Load material into the hopper and pump through the machine, removing the excess water from the pipes, both the dump hose and the spray hose. When the material is flowing from both, you are ready to spray. Insert the correct tip size for the material you are spraying. Step 3. Applying to the soffit. Spray the soffit working away from an internal edge. Overlap each pass by 50% to ensure an even coverage of material, and also come down the tops of the partition walls by 300 to 400 mm. Level material flat, again working away from an internal edge, and any material moved in the levelling process can be placed back into the hopper and reused, reducing waste to less than 1%. Step 4. Applying to the walls. Working left to right from an internal corner, spray the walls slightly overlapping the material at the top of the partition to avoid any overspray onto the soffit. Again, overlap each pass by 50% to achieve the coverage on the wall. Level the material and recycle any excess removed back into the hopper and allow to dry. Steps 5 and 6. Repeat steps 3 and 4, taking time when levelling to take out any tram lines. This will minimise the need for sanding later and allow to dry. Step 7. Sanding. Hand sanding. We recommend using 180 grit sandpaper. Use good lighting to remove any lines or blemishes on the surface. Machine sanding. We recommend using 240 grit sandpaper and just let the sander glide over the surface for a flat, smooth surface ready for decoration. Knauf recommend Graco machines for spraying and Merkur tools for sanding. For more top tips on Knauf finishes or any of Knauf's other products or systems, visit our website.